Hello, it's IELTS with me tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to write a Band 9 essay for your IELTS writing task 1 question. In this module, we'll focus on a model essay and examiner's comments as well as a step-by-step explanation. Let's get started. Pay attention that you should spend about 20 minutes on this kind of questions, not more than this, okay? Our question here is the first chart below shows, pay attention, our charts, chart 1 and chart 2, okay? Show the number of airline crew, pilots, stewards, needed to fly a passenger plane between Australia and a number of other countries. The second chart shows the number of passenger complaints per plane journey made on these routes and average kilograms kg weight of luggage or baggage carried per person. You have to write a report summarizing the information, select and describe the main features, and make comparisons where relevant. That's important. You have to be able to actually show what is the trend and what is or are the exceptions. Okay. Our first actually bar chart here is a number of crew numbers, okay, on each plane by destination in Malaysia, New Zealand, Germany, Indonesia, okay. And second chart, the blue one is number of passenger complaints, and red one is number of luggage, right? Okay. The first important thing here actually is this bar chart. Our data here is set of static data or movement data. As I explained in our previous videos, the first important thing is does the actually data shows only one time scale or more than that? And if we at least know that, yeah, we have now a static chart, what we should do in this situation, we have to talk about the sizes and actually percentage of the figures, okay? Yeah. Therefore, as we see here, it's pretty clear from the actually the figure that we have the same pattern about number of crew numbers and weight of luggage, right? We have the same figure here, right? The opposite side is regarding the number of passenger complaint, right? It's different. And in each specific chart, actually, we see that number of crew, the highest is for Germany, the lowest is for New Zealand, after Germany, Indonesia, and Malaysia, okay? Again, yes, Germany, Indonesia, Malaysia, and the least number of passenger complaint is for New Zealand. And regarding the weight of luggage or baggage, right? The most one is for New Zealand. The list is for Germany, right? No, this is blue one is number of passenger complaint. The least amount of complaint is for Germany, and the most one is for New Zealand, right? And this red one is actually the weight of baggage. And weight of baggage actually pattern is the same as number of crew numbers. Okay, let's go and write our essay. Yeah, the bar charts, actually we can say bar charts give data about 4 flight destinations from Australia in terms of or regarding crew numbers, passenger complaints made, and luggage weight per passenger. Great, okay? 4 flight destinations: Indonesia, Germany, New Zealand, Malaysia, and a number of other countries. We paraphrase that, okay? Pay attention to that. The largest crew, 15 people here, 15 people, almost 15, as needed for the flight to Germany, followed by great vocabulary, Indonesia 11 and Malaysia 8. The destination requiring the least crew per plane is New Zealand with 6 crew. This trend is academic phrases, right, is reflected I mean that this pattern is the same for this subject, okay? This trend is reflected in the weight of luggage per person, right? This red one, okay? Per passenger, with Germany having the heaviest baggage. Pay attention to its spelling error, okay? Baggage at 38 kilograms, and in Indonesia, the second heaviest at 32 kilograms. Malaysia flights carry 30 kilograms per passenger, and New Zealand has the lightest figure at 15 kilogram. Okay, now we are gonna talk about the blue bar charts, right? Number of passenger complaints. Okay, however, by contrast, the pattern, the trend for customer complaints is reversed as opposite. What is the opposite side? With New Zealand flights having the most complaints, 6 per flight, right? 6 per flight, followed by Indonesia and Malaysia with 3 each, right? Malaysia and Indonesia. Flights to Germany have the fewest complaints with only 1 per flight, okay? Pay attention to the vocabularies that I highlighted in that specific color, okay? Overall, at the end, to sum up, to recapitulate, all in all, it is apparent that it is logical that it seems that pay attention to the usage of impersonal style, right? Impersonal style, that flights to Germany require the most crew and baggage, while those to New Zealand require the least. However, in contrast, passengers to Germany make the least complaints, while flights to New Zealand cause the most complaints. The Malaysia and Indonesia flights lie roughly between these two extremes. The Malaysia and Indonesia flights lie roughly between these two extremes, the lowest and the most, and the least, right, between them. Okay, what is the examiner comments? Okay, actually, the candidate used a variety of language here. great academic vocabularies, and actually we saw here, yeah, we know that the trends perfectly represented here, right? And for the second main paragraph, the opposite trend is reflected here. The use of, pay attention to the use of as reverts. It is important, right? The summary is quite important and logical, and pay attention to this actually. The candidate uses present simple correctly because there is no sign to past or future. That's why we are using present simple tense, and uses advanced language to show the trend situations such as reflected and reversed, and opposite side for showing the opposite side. Actually using the largest, the least, the lightest, the heaviest, followed by the least. Yeah, and signposting is a strong means use of however, overall, and yeah, that's a pretty strong essay, and actually the strong uh, great essay for giving a band 9 score. Okay, yeah. Please don't hesitate to check our videos. I hope that you enjoyed this specific module, and please be sure to click the subscribe button, ring the bell, and turn on notifications so you're alerted to our future content. Thank you so much. See you soon in another IELTS with me tutorial. Take care and see you soon. Bye.